Welcome to Soothing Pod's Meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to live a happier life by prioritizing gratitude. Begin by finding a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. As you settle into a restful position, let your spine gently lengthen all the way up through the crown of your head. Allow your shoulders to release away from your ears and rest your arms and hands comfortably. And if you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Now, take a slow, deep inhale, bringing yourself into this moment, arriving fully as you exhale. And with the new breaths, gently scan through your body. Start at your feet and move your way up. And wherever you meet any gripping, soreness, or tension, draw your inhale into that area, creating space and softening fully as you breathe out. And now, take a moment to notice any heaviness around your heart. Without creating any particular emotions, observe if any are present. Just notice if fear is present, anger, resentment, judgment. And once more, breathe a sense of space around them, and with your exhales, softly release these emotions, letting them go. Now, do the same for your mind. Observing any thoughts, distractions, obligations. Deep, spacious in-breath, letting it all go on the exhale. And now bring in a sense of gratitude and appreciation. Begin by recognizing the gift of this moment. Reflecting on the gift of life itself. Being able to practice meditation right here, right now. The gift of this body, this heartbeat. And now, turn your attention to all of the things we take for granted. The small wonders that bring ease to our day-to-day life. Fresh water right from the tap. lighting up the darkness just by flipping a switch. A roof over our head that keeps us safe. A comfortable bed to sleep in at night. A fridge that keeps our food fresh. Allow this sense of gratitude to expand to all the people you've never met that contribute to your life's ease and simplicity. The workers who grow and harvest the foods you eat. The ones who pick up your garbage and clean your neighborhood park. The mail carriers, grocery stockers, line cooks, and window cleaners. The artists who write poetry or make films that entertain you. And now, ponder all of the beings who are dear to you. Those who make you smile, who support and motivate you. Your family and friends. Your colleagues and peers. Even your pets. As you sit for a few more moments, allow gratitude to fill your heart and mind. Allow appreciation to lift your spirit. Now, let your awareness soften. Out of survival, our minds are built to recognize the negative first. It's what has kept us alive as a species. We're so well programmed to spot the bad stuff that our brains will notice it even when there's nothing wrong. But in the last 15 years or so, we've learned that we can reprogram our brains to see the positive that exists around us by practicing gratitude. And when we do, we grow more content. In fact, studies have found a strong and distinct link between active gratitude and our mental, emotional, and physical health. Gratitude eases depression and worry. It improves our sleep and makes us more resilient. It even deepens our relationships. Gratitude is really the key to living happier lives. Beyond optimism or a positive outlook, Learning to recognize and appreciate the simple things in life allows our brain to rewire itself, to feel contentment and ease in our day-to-day. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just look around you and start exactly where you are. There's nothing too small or insignificant to be grateful for. Now gently come back to your breath again. Feel your body in space. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. And slowly open your eyes. Bring gratitude with you everywhere you go today, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.